Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today I will present about my final project proposal. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to me to present my final project proposal. My name is Fitriana. I'm from the Diploma 3 Accounting Study Program in Polytechnic Negeri Semarang. The title of my proposal is Analysis of the Financial Performance of PT ABC based on Profitability Ratio and Liquidity Ratio. Next, first I will talk about BIQUA. In today, increasingly competitive business environment, companies are required to maintain strong financial performance in order to ensure sustainability and long-term growth. Financial performance reflects management ability to manage company resources effectively and achieve organizational objectives. Information regarding a company's financial performance is essential for stakeholders such as management, investor, and creditor as basic for making sound economic decisions. This information is primarily obtained from financial statements prepared periodically by the company. However, financial statements alone do not provide sufficient insight unless they are analyzed further. Financial ratio analysis is commonly used to evaluate a company's financial condition in a systematic and measurable manner. In particular, profitability ratios are used to assess a company's ability to generate profit, while liquidity ratios are used to measure its ability to meet short-term obligations. Therefore, analysis the financial performance of PT ABC using profitability and liquidity ratio is important to obtain a clear understanding of the company's financial condition and to support effective decision making. Next, problem formulation. The problem formulation there are have three problem formulation. First, how is the financial performance of PT ABC calculated using profitability ratio? Second, how is the financial performance of PT ABC calculated using liquidity ratio? And the last one is how is the financial performance of PT ABC viewed from the level of financial health based on the result of profitability and liquidity ratio. The next is research objective. There are have three research objectives. First, to determine the financial performance of PT ABC based on profitability ratio. Second, to determine the financial performance of PT ABC based on liquidity ratio. And the last one is to analyze the level of financial health of PT ABC based on the result of profitability and liquidity ratio analysis. The next is literature review. There are have many literature review. First, definition of financial statement. Financial statements are the final output of the accounting process that serve to present information regarding a company's financial position, financial performance, and cash flow for a certain period. The information presented in financial statement is used by both internal and external parties as a basic for economic decision making. Fahmi in 2018 states that financial statements describe a company's financial condition that can be used to assess its overall financial health and performance. Similarly, Kashmir in 2019 explained that financial statements aim to provide relevant relevant information regarding a company's financial position and operating results. Number two, definition of financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis is the process of examining financial statement account to gain a deeper understanding of a company's financial condition and performance. Fahmy in 2018 said that financial statement analysis is conducted to identify a company's financial strengths and weaknesses based on historical data. Munawir in 2016 explained that financial statement analysis aims to evaluate a company's financial development over time. Next, number three, objective objectives of financial statement analysis. The objectives of financial statement analysis include assessing financial performance, determining the company's ability to meet its obligation, and evaluating management effectiveness in managing company resources. According to Kashmir in 2019, the result of financial statement analysis can be used as a basic for decision making by management, investor, and creditor. Number four is financial ratio analysis. Financial ratio analysis is one of the methods used in financial statement analysis by comparing figures contained in financial statement. Fahmi in 2018 explained that financial ratio analysis aims to present a simpler and more understandable overview of a company's financial condition. Next, profitability ratio. Profitability, profitability ratio are used to measure a company's ability to generate profit from its operational activities. The opera the ratio reflects the company efficiency in utilizing assets and capital. Kashmir in 2019 stated that profitability ratios are very important for investors because they indicate the level of return that can be obtained from investment. Harry in 2017 adds that profitability ratios such as return of asset or ROA, return on equity or ROE, and net profit margin on or NPM are used to evaluate financial performance effectiveness. Next, liquidity ratio. Liquidity ratio are used to assess a company's ability to meet its short-term obligation. According to Kashmir in 2019, liquidity ratios such as the current ratio and quick ratio measure the extent to which current asset can cover short-term liability. Putri Ansari in 2020 stated that good liquidity reflects a company's healthy short-term financial condition. And the last one is financial performance. Financial performance represents the level of success achieved by a company in managing its financial resources to achieve organizational objectives. Fahmi in 2018 explained that financial performance can be measured through financial statement analysis, and financial ratio analysis. Susanto in 2019 stated that financial performance is often used as a key indicator in assessing a company's financial health and sustainability. Next is research methodology. First, type of research. This research uses descriptive research with a quantitative approach. Descriptive research aims to provide a systematic, factual, and accurate description of a company's financial performance. The quantitative approach is applied because the research process numerical data derived from PT ABC financial statement. Number two is research implementation stage. The research implementation stages are conducted systematically to ensure that the research objectives are achieved. The stage include problem identification and topic determination, literature review, and collection in the form of the ABC financial statement, data analysis using profitability and liquidity ratio, and conclusion drawing. 3. Data classification. 3.1. Data based on the nature. Based on the nature, the data used in this research are quantitative data, which consists of numerical features that can be measured mathematically, such as total asset, net profit, current liability, and equity. 3.2. Data based on its resource. Based on its source, the data used in this research are secondary data obtained indirectly from the research object through official document, namely PTABC financial statement. The next is collection method. The data collection method used Use in this research in documentation. Documentation is concluded by collecting and reviewing documents related to the research, particularly PT ABC financial statement. And the last one is research implementation stage. The data analysis method used in this research is financial state ratio analysis. This analysis is conducted by calculate profitability and liquidity ratio based on PTABC financial statement data. The result of the ratio calculate are the analyzed to evaluate and company's financial performance and draw conclusion in accordance with the research objective. Next is conclusion. This research proposal is prepared to analyze the financial performance of PT ABC using profitability ratio and liquidity ratio. Financial performance analysis is important to evaluate the company's ability to manage its resources effectively and to maintain financial stability. By using financial rationalities, the financial condition of the company can be assessed in a systematically and measurable manner. The analysis of profitability and liquidity ratio is expanded to provide a clear overview of PTABC financial performance and financial health. The result of this study are expanded to serve as useful information from management and other stakeholders in evaluating the company's performance and supporting the effective decision making in the future. Okay, Thanks for your attention. Thank you.